Hey guys, it's Haley. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be DIYing a Christmas gift for one of my very good friends. For Emma's gift, I wanted to do a 365 note jar. 365 notes is a lot, so obviously you can make it any amount you want, but I'm going to try to do 365, but who knows if I'll have enough time to do it anyway. All that you really need for this is some type of jar, I don't know, a box even. You're going to need like a printer, or you can do it by hand as well, but I'm going to do it online. And then you're going to need 365 things. So I put like quotes, things I like about her, what I plan to do with her in the future, you know, like inside jokes. So I put a bunch of stuff down. I still have to add some more stuff, but I just got a little bit of it down. And now I'm going to finish thinking of some ideas, and then we're going to go ahead and start getting ready. I took a short break in between here, and I'm just going to count everything that I have down, because let's just hope I have at least 200. I definitely don't even think I have 100. I don't even think that my jar can hold that much, so it's pretty much how much my jar can hold is how much I'll do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Whoa, I only have 91, so I'm going to get up to 100. Oh gosh, I think I just like put in here that. Now I need to print this bad boy. Okay, so I just finished printing out all of the little pieces of paper. I don't know, did I say printing or cut it? Did I say print or cut? I don't know, I just printed them out though. Whenever I cut them out, I can go ahead and, oh, that's not good. Oh, it keeps going. So guys, I'm going to go to bed right now, but I did finish cutting out all of the little pieces that I'm going to put in the jar, but I'm going to do that tomorrow whenever I get home from school, so I will see you then. Hey guys, I'm back. It's the next day, and I have all of the little slips of paper here and then the jar, so I'm going to go ahead and just start folding them up, I guess. Found some little pink ribbon, so I tied it around there. I just finished the little card, so it might be backwards for you, not really sure. I just wrote Merry Christmas, and then I put the little color combos, and I just put like Love Haley down in the little corner. So yeah, now I'm just going to use some tape and tape it onto the mason jar. So I think that it's pretty much finished. I think it's super cute. I definitely recommend doing this for one of your friends or family members because it's really easy, and I bet that anyone would love this. So yeah, I had a lot of fun making this, and let me know if you make this down in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.